Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. This is going to be in my new Erin Condren unboxing. It's my 2025 Erin Condren. I've been buying from Erin Condren for years now. The price did go up, I'm not going to lie, but I feel like they did improve some things, and I'll get into that as we go. So they did wrap it in tissue paper this time. I think they got rid of that last time. I was trying to remember. And then I have, the whole theme was Evolve. It's embark on a journey of evolution with our latest Life Planner collection designed to celebrate life's ever-changing moments. Our collaboration with artist Eda V brings vibrant colors and swirling pattern to mirror the dynamic nature of your planning journey. Join us as we continue to evolve and innovate, ensuring our products meet your evolving planning needs every step of the way. They are a company that I feel like does their surveys and definitely like listens to people. Okay. Oh, my code was on there. Well, I guess if you guys take it, you take it, but there is coming up for, I guess, back to school. They're previewing the planner and the storage box and gel pens and meeting notebooks. So specifically for taking notes in meetings. If you have a job where like meetings are very heavy, mine is at least monthly and weekly. So, all right, let's grab this stuff out of here. It was bubble wrapped. It looks like that's all that's in there. So let's go ahead and grab it. I know that this was a freebie. I don't know if this was the free. I think it was the freebie for ordering early. I like it because it has the Evolve theme. I think we got sticky notes last time too. Doesn't really fit in the bag. How the heck did they get it in there? This is what I wonder. That's what I wonder is how did you get it in here? So I think it's pretty similar to last year's sticky notes. I got purple last time and it had the little dots. This year it's like the swirls. I haven't stuck mine to anything. I will, but it's such a commitment. And like, it's not refillable, so then you have to like tear it off. I don't know. So I like it. I think they're cute. The stickiness level, not that great. Maybe they've improved it. Let's go ahead and try one out. So that's plastic. I wouldn't say it's as sticky as a normal sticky note, but it's not peeling up on the corners like a Post-it note. I mean, like Post-it brand. Okay, they included this. It's a Life Planner sampler pack. I think this was also for ordering early. I was trying to remember. So it's a whole pack, and it like lets you each lay out for 1 week and see how it feels with your schedule. It says get a sampler pack of each of the layouts, and then I guess they're dated, so it tells you like when to use them, which would be kind of funny to like film and stuff. It's like, oh, it's all, so you can tear them out, I guess. Okay. So we have a weekly. This is great for shop owners, so like sticker shop owners. So I hope if they went ahead and ordered that they got one of these, because then they could utilize that to make stickers out of. So it's like a little mini planner. I like it for the month of May, and then does it go all the way through June? Is it all the way through June? It is. I might use this for my online school, that class that I'm teaching, because it's for the month of June, and that's it. So then I could just use it for June and call it good. Each week would look different, but since it's just a summer gig, I think it would be fun to try out different layouts. Okay, I might use it for that, for summer school. So I'm not going to put off using this. I don't know if I'm going to film using it, but you know how I am. All right, this was new, the new stencil. The new stencil. So it's got little dots and squares for you to trace, a bunch of squares for you to trace, a block for you to trace, I don't know what you want to call that, a doorway. The ruler goes to 7 inches. Yeah, about 7 inches. So normally, for years and years and years, we've gotten these kind of stencils. It's like a 9-inch ruler, usually, is all we really get, and you can kind of use it as a bookmark and line maker. Now, I do sell the Erin Condren stencils to make rows and rows of lines. I can show you guys what those are, just in case you're really into stencils and you're like, wait, this exists? In my shop, it does. So this is the frosted one. It's my thickest one, and it looks like this. So I feel like I'm still making something that like they don't make, which is interesting. So, all right, let's go ahead and dive right into the planner then. But I do like this. I'm glad that they're updating that. I put my Run with Craft Scissors name on this one. I think I'm just going to stick with using Erin Condren for Etsy. It's just easier. Etsy and YouTube. I've been liking the Happy Planner dashboard for my family planner, so I think I'll keep it that way. This looks pretty similar. I was going to kind of compare. Yeah, that's the same as last year's. The frosted paper usually matches the theme, but I think, yeah, last year it was almost the same symbol, just in the corners. So you got some vellum. Life Planner, I ordered the vertical layout. That's correct. And then I can get, you can order custom letter name stickers from my shop if you would like. I chose the Bloom, so that is what I went with. I thought it was pretty neutral, but I still wanted colored tabs. I think I went with something similar last year. I don't know if it was called Bloom, but it says bloom into a new era and align your purpose. And then there's the like months at a glance. Have enough courage to start, enough heart to finish. And then our January divider says, don't wish for it, work for it. And it's got some butterflies. And then, oh, I hope you guys liked my cover. I didn't really talk about my cover. I just said my name was on it. It's not gold foiled. I went with the standard silver coil. The colored one was fine. I ordered like the bullseye color coil last time. And it was really good. It doesn't always match my spreads when my planner is open. So that's why I changed it back to silver. I've ordered rose gold before and mine chipped. I know sometimes they do. So then my standard is probably the silver. Okay, that's what the monthly spread looks like. Just a little bit of dotting here and then a little bit of flowers here. I feel like I could cover it up with a kit pretty much just fine. So I thought that doesn't bug me. I do kind of like the tone of this side and that it has lines. Here's your like overview. A lot of shops make stickers for that too. A note page before you start the year. All right, so I will be doing my New Year spread in this planner is what we have figured out, which is good. I think last year it was like the same week as Christmas. It was so weird. And I was like, oh man. Okay, I'm not going to flip through every day, but I encourage you if you got a new planner to flip through every single page and check for flaws. Erin Condren is very good at replacing stuff, but only within obviously a certain time window. So I'm buying this planner and not using it till January. So if I waited until January to check everything, that would be a problem. Okay, so that's like a full month. February says purpose fuels passion. I like the yellow. The bar changes on this side. And then we'll flip the dashboard. See, I don't usually buy the stickers for these pages, so I kind of like that it was going to be decorated. It's very neutral. I didn't go with anything too bright. Mostly because I wanted to be able to cover up. Usually I use my headers as far as that goes, and then it turns to yellow. So every month has a different border color. All right, here's my next divider for March. Discover who you are beyond who you have been. I like that because I am definitely changing. Pink flowers, love that, and purple butterflies. This one goes to a gray. So then there's the background for that. And then it's going to go from yellow to gray because of the two-tone months. I still think they should abbreviate that first week if it contains 2 months to like Feb/March, like abbreviate it or something, but that's just me. All right, April, let's flip back so you can see the page. What you imagine, you create. I like that one. I just really like flowers, you guys, so that's why I picked it. So this one's probably going to turn purple. Yeah, turns purple. May is blue, and it says find acceptance within yourself. Sometimes that's a struggle. And then this is kind of a gray blue. So there's the overview page. Got that nice dark teal. And then it switches to like the gray teal. All right, June, my birthday month. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. June is my rest month, except for all of our birthdays are in it. So flowers and butterflies on that. Alrighty. And then this one, let's see. Where'd that page go? That's what June looks like. I like the pink flowers. And then July is you don't have to be anything but yourself. I do think Erin Condren would benefit from doing like a seasonal kind of spread. So like if it was like, you know how like the teacher ones that are seasonal, so then like July would look all patriotic, like that kind of thing. I think that would be a cool option if they did that in the regular planners as well. Okay, I just think it would be fun, in my opinion. All right, and then we have July's. I really like that background. It's a lot lighter. Okay, and then we have the weekly spreads. Here is August, all the yellow. It's okay to be yourself. August is when we go back to school. It's like yellow over here, so we're going to go back to a yellow border. Background's kind of tan on that one. Then we have yellow headers on there. September. Ooh, I like the different tones on this one. That's really pretty. And then we have our monthly. And then we have the at a glance. The weekly spread changes to like a gray. October says friendship is a gift that lasts. They're almost like little fortune cookies. Ooh, I like the purple. Okay, and then I'm really liking this. I think the color behind it just makes it a lot more fun. I think it does. Then there's the weekly page. November. November is happiness is a form of courage. I'm really not seeing a lot of changes from like last year's planner to this year's planner, you guys. It's just not, like I went with a flower one last year too, and it was like a little different. Okay, so it looked like that. And then the pages, like spread that I haven't decorated yet. It's got the toned headers, the lines on the bottom. Like I will say the monthly spread for that planner is way different than this one, being that like the sidebar has color in it. So that's a different one as far as seeing any major differences. But I know there was a big like problem years ago. They decided to change the size of the box, and all the sticker shops were like, what? All right, success is a journey, not a destination. I'm always in a hurry. And then here's the December. This planner looks so thin compared to mine because mine's stuffed with stickers because I plan ahead. December, kind of a green background, like that. Top half. All right, and then it goes into the notes pages. The notes did change. You could select different types of pages that you wanted. I think I just selected notes pages, but there was like, if you wanted dot grid or something, you could pick that and have extra pages added. I didn't do that, so it's just line paper back here. There's a heritage and awareness observances, in case you want to put those in your planner. And then there's let's keep in touch if you want to track your contacts. This one is for planning the next year, so it's set to 2026 in my planner. Yeah, that's the one. It says, we have taken extreme care in designing this life planner to reflect our high standards of design aesthetic or copy accuracy. However, we cannot accept responsibility for any errors or changes. Okay, so what they mean is that like if a holiday changes, then it's not their fault. But if there's like actual flaws in the printing, they will definitely. In case you're like, what? This paper feels different. It's, probably because it's so heavily printed color on the back. Okay, that's probably why. Here's the stickers in the back that I usually forget exist. Just being honest. Flags and circles. Habit trackers. Some today, this week, to do, canceled, rescheduled stickers. And then some little dots with flowers in them. Happy birthday stickers and celebrate stickers. I've had my son use these before to make a quick birthday card. I'm not going to lie. Here's some labels if you want to use those for your dates and times and appointments. And then it always comes with a pocket. I like to cut mine out when I'm done using it. So I cut it out, and then I sell and make tabs for the Erin Condren planner. So then I stick a new tab on it, and then I pop it into the next planner if it's a design that I like really got attached to or really like. And then you usually get, here's a little pouch of goodies. You also get this perpetual calendar planner. I'm terrible at using these. But they are handy if you want to start a grateful for something every day, or if you want to write some kind of Bible verse every day or an affirmation every day. If you just want the calendar of birthdays, because that doesn't change, because it's not dated. So it doesn't matter like what year, obviously, you want to use this. Okay, so that's what's fun about it, I guess, unless it's a leap year. And then there's some birthdays and dates back here that like never change. So they put the dates next to each one and that kind of thing. Okay, so there's that. Very neutral. And then the back is pink and like a note-taking page. I think my back on the other one is too. And then there's the back of my planner. Let's go ahead and open my pouch of goodies. Life planner, plan a life you love. They do a lot of surveys, like I said. So it says 99% of Life Planner customers report it helps them organize their life. And then, but it says 93% report it helps reduce stress. Sometimes planning can stress you out. Not gonna lie. Okay. All right. I'm gonna hide my codes on this one at least. Definitely the other one was there. It says, welcome to the EC family. We're so happy you decided to invest in yourself and your future goals and buying an Erin Condren planner. I'm not going to read the rest of it. Enjoy 20% off your next 2 purchases. Usually the dates on them, let me see. Says March 31st, which is before the next planner comes out. So I can pretty much never use them on a planner for myself. This one says align action with intention. And it's that evolve swirl. So these are cute little cards that you can put little notes on if you want, or you can laminate them. And like I've done it where I laminated it and then put one of my tabs on it. I trim it down and then I use it as a bookmark. I've done that too. This one's purplish and says never let go of your dreams. And then this one's kind of like teal and it says do your best with what you've got. I like that. I like those a lot. Yeah. They've done planner charms before as the freebie for ordering early. I've gotten one of those. They did a coin pouch. Like it just varies, but they did the sticky note 2 years in a row, but they changed it up with this stencil. So I will give them that. Plus the pack of try all of our versions of spreads. I think that's really awesome. So I'm really happy with my purchase. But I will tell you they did raise prices. I do have a referral discount code, as probably a lot of people do. If you want it, I'll put it in the description box below. And then I will say I'll go ahead and put down the code that's 20% off. I'll put one down that someone can use. And then I think my other ones is just a referral. Like you get $10 off if it's your first ever purchase from Erin Condren. My nails do match the cover a little bit. I like that my whole name fits. They updated that because they're cut off for like how many letters used to be smaller and I couldn't use my shop name on my planner. So I am glad that they have updated that. So that's my spiel. Let me know what kind of planner you got. Are you sticking with Erin Condren? Are you switching? There's lots of other planners out there. I need to get probably the Happy Planner Teacher Planner next. Will be my next purchase. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!